The 2026 Nissan-X-Trail-Nismo-e-Power and the 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport represent the sportiest factory expressions of these two popular SUVs. While both follow a similar performance-lite philosophy focusing on handling and visual aggression over raw engine upgrades, their exterior executions differ significantly. The X-Trail-Nismo adopts a technical, aerodynamic aesthetic, whereas the RAV4 GR Sport leans into a wider, more muscular hammerhead design language. At a glance, key exterior differences. Nissan X-Trail-Nismo-e-Power. Grille, dark chrome V-motion with central Nismo logo. Wheels, 20-inch NKI, flat rim for aero. Accent color, signature Nismo red pinstriping. Aero focus, front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser. Tires, Michelin Pilot Sport EV. Stance, standard height, aero optimized body. Toyota RAV4 GR Sport. Grille, G-mesh matrix grille with aero ducts. Wheels, 20-inch GR specific, wider offset. Accent color, piano black in GR badges, red calipers. Aero focus, front/rear wing spoilers, aero ducts. Tires, Dunlop Sport Max summer tires. Stance, 15 mm lower ride height. Front fascia and styling. Nissan X-Trail-Nismo, the face is dominated by an updated V-motion grille finished in dark chrome. The most striking feature is the Nismo front under spoiler, which features a bright red pinstripe. This setup is functional, contributing to a claimed 29% reduction in lift. Toyota RAV4 GR Sport. Toyota utilizes its new Hammerhead front-end design. It features a unique mesh grille with integrated aerodynamic ducts that actually channel air. Unlike the X-Trail, the RAV4 focuses on a planted look with body-colored bumpers and wider wheel arch moldings. Wheels, tires, and stance. Wheels, both SUVs move to 20-inch alloys. The Nissan uses NKI wheels designed with a flat outer rim to streamline airflow and a wide center to aid brake cooling. The Toyota features GR-exclusive wheels with an increased offset, pushing them out further for a wider, more aggressive track. Tires, Nissan fits the Michelin Pilot Sport EV, signaling its hybrid electric nature. Toyota opts for Dunlop Sport Max summer tires, emphasizing traditional mechanical grip. Ride height. The RAV4 GR Sport is physically lower than the standard model by 15 mm, giving it a hunker-down silhouette. The X-Trail-Nismo retains its standard ride height but uses specialized Kyoba swing valve dampers to control body roll. Rear and aerodynamics. The rear end. The X-Trail-Nismo features a prominent rear diffuser and racing-inspired rear fog lamps, reminiscent of Formula 1 or GT cars. The RAV4 GR Sport uses a cleaner, seamless design where the rear glass integrates into the light bar, topped off with a specific GR rear wing spoiler. Lighting. The X-Trail-Nismo incorporates dark chrome surrounds for the headlights to match the grille. The RAV4 uses its signature LED lighting but adds GR branding to the brake calipers, which are finished in red. Color options. Nissan features the exclusive Nismo Stealth Grey paired with a super black roof. Toyota offers two-tone combinations with a black roof, including signature shades like Supersonic Red and the new Meteor Shower Grey.